Things that really accentuate dark brown eyes. In answer to this question, brown eyeliner is going to be your best friend if you've got dark brown eyes. Somehow it just really brings the brown out of the brown. I think the fact that it's lighter than my natural eye colour makes it look like really deep and rich, whereas a black eyeliner is not that far away from my eye colour, so it just kind of all blends together. Back to the question, black mascara or burgundy mascara? Normally I'm going to go with a black mascara just every day because it's just kind of a habit of like my entire life, but if I'm really trying to accentuate brown eyes, burgundy mascara is the one. I don't know what it does, it just looks so different. I'm going to do black on this side and burgundy on this side and we're going to compare. I feel like the reason I pick up black most is because it looks more bold, but I think if you're kind of thinking about the look altogether, burgundy is going to look better, you're going to see. 2 coats each eye because that's what I would normally do. This is the YSL Lash Clash, by the way, if you're wondering. It's one of my favourite mascaras. Okay, burgundy side. It's very, very dark, so you can't actually tell that it's not black. It's not like blue mascara where like you can really obviously see it. This is only 1 coat. I just feel like it really kind of accentuates the eye, whereas the black mascara just seems to blend right in there. 2nd coat. To be honest, I don't know why I don't use this more because I actually think it looks a lot nicer. Also, Sky High is a really good mascara. There's something about this for me, it's like colour theory that I don't understand. It all just seems to like gel together and looks really good. Whereas I think the black looks nice, but just kind of boring. And then this is a very underrated hack. If you have brown eyes, silver eyeshadow in the inner corner, it's just gonna look incredible every time. Look at that. Like, that's insane. I feel like I should make this my trademark. I hardly ever see anyone doing it. It's like a pigmented foil coloured silver. It just looks so good. That is it. It's not like it's changed the colour of my brown eyes, but I do think it's made them more interesting to look at, let's say. What do we think? Burgundy mascara or black mascara? I think for me it's gotta be burgundy. There's just something about it. It looks so dull in comparison, and that's a shame because this is my favourite mascara. I've linked it down below just in case you want to get your hands on it.